Today, we are going to learn how to order iced coffee in English.
It's easy once you know the right words. Let's go inside.
I love the smell of coffee the moment you walk in.
Me too. Let's see what's on the menu today.
I love the smell of coffee the moment you walk in.
Me too. Let's see what's on the menu today.
This cafe looks so warm and cozy inside.
The counter is right over there. Shall we order?
I always feel a little excited when I order something new.
Don't worry, ordering coffee is simple. Just follow the steps.
Let's look at the menu first before we decide what to order.
Good idea. I always check the menu carefully.
I see iced latte, iced Americano, and cold brew on the menu.
So many choices. I think I want something classic today.
I think I'll order an iced latte. It's my favorite.
Good choice. I might get a cold brew instead.
Good afternoon. We'd like to order 2 iced coffees, please.
Yes, please. We're ready to order now.
Could I have 1 iced latte, please?
That sounds perfect. A simple way to start. And I'll have 1 cold brew, please. No sugar.
You always order it without sugar. Very classic. What size would you like, small, medium, or large?
I'll go with a medium. It's just the right amount.
I'll have a large one, please. I'm quite thirsty today.
A large iced latte sounds perfect for this warm afternoon.
How much ice would you like, regular, less, or no ice?
I'd like less ice, please. I want more coffee flavor.
Regular ice is fine for me, thank you.
Regular ice keeps it nice and cold for longer.
What type of milk would you like? Regular, oat, or almond?
I usually choose oat milk. It tastes creamy and smooth.
I'll try oat milk too. I've never had it before.
You'll love it. It's my favorite kind of milk.
How sweet? Regular, less sweet, or no sugar?
Less sweet for me, please. I don't like it too sugary.
Just a little sweet for me, please. Not too much.
That's a good balance. Not too sweet, not too plain. Would you like an extra flavor? Vanilla, caramel, or hazelnut?
Vanilla sounds lovely. Let's add a little of that. 1 pump of vanilla syrup, please. Just a little.
That will make it taste even better, I'm sure.
So that's 1 large iced latte with oat milk and vanilla.
And 1 medium cold brew with less ice, no sugar.
Quick question. What's your favorite iced coffee order?
Comment below and tell us. Oat milk, vanilla, or something else? How much is that altogether, please?
Let's split it. I'll pay for mine and you pay for yours. Do you accept card or is it cash only?
Most cafes accept both. Don't worry about it.
I'll just tap my card here. That's it, all done.
That was quick and easy, wasn't it? Here you go. Please keep the change.
That's very kind of you, giving a little tip. Thank you so much. We'll wait for our order now.
Thank you. We really appreciate it.
It shouldn't take too long. The cafe isn't very busy.
Perfect. I don't like waiting too long for coffee.
It's nice watching them make the coffee, so carefully.
They really take their time to get it just right.
Look, they're adding the ice first before the coffee.
That's the right way. It keeps the coffee cold longer.
The milk swirling into the coffee looks so pretty.
It's almost ready. I can smell it from here.
The milk swirling into the coffee looks so pretty.
It's almost ready. I can smell it from here.
I think our drinks are finally ready to be picked up.
Perfect timing. I'm quite thirsty now too.
Could I get a straw for my drink, please?
There are some right here. Take one from this box.
We finally have our iced coffees. They look amazing.
Let's find a table and enjoy them together.
Is there a free table? Anywhere near the window?
Yes, right there. The one with the nice view.
This table has such a lovely view of the street.
It's the perfect spot to sit and relax for a while.
Finally, we can sit down and relax properly.
This is exactly what I needed after a busy morning.
This iced latte tastes absolutely delicious.
I told you oat milk would be a good choice. This cold brew is smooth and not too bitter at all.
I'm glad you're enjoying it just the way you like. Would you like to try a sip of mine? It's really sweet.
Sure, and you can try a little of my cold brew too. Wow, that's really sweet. I can taste the vanilla clearly.
See? I told you it was delicious. Just how I like it. Strong, but I like how smooth it feels.
Cold brew is less bitter than regular iced coffee, actually.
I could sit here all afternoon just talking and drinking coffee.
Same here. This is such a relaxing way to spend the day.
It's nice watching people walk by while we relax here,
This cafe has such a peaceful atmosphere.
doesn't it? I've almost finished mine. It went by so quickly.
Mine too. That was exactly what I needed today.
Let's review. First, you choose your drink from the menu.
Then you choose the size, small, medium, or large. Next, you choose the amount of ice, regular, less, or none.
And don't forget to choose your milk and sweetness level. The most useful phrase is, "Could I have, please?"
That polite phrase works for almost any order, anywhere. Another useful phrase is, "What size would you like?"
And you can answer simply, "A medium, please." I know ordering in English can feel a little scary at first.
But with practice, it becomes easy and even fun. Try practicing this conversation out loud, just like we did.
The more you practice, the more confident you will feel. Remember when I almost forgot how to say iced latte?
Everyone forgets words sometimes. That's completely normal.
That was such a good iced coffee, I'll order it again.
Me too. This cafe will definitely become a favorite spot. It's getting a little late. We should think about leaving soon.
You're right, but this was such a lovely break. Let's tidy up our table before we go, shall we?
Good idea. I'll take these cups to the bin. I always recycle my cup. It's good for the environment.
That's very thoughtful of you, Oliver. Thank you, that was wonderful. Have a lovely day.
Thanks so much. We'll definitely come back again.
What a lovely way to spend the afternoon together.
I agree. We should do this again very soon.
So now you know exactly how to order iced coffee in English.
Menu, size, ice, milk, sweetness, and payment. That's it. Next time you visit a cafe, try ordering in English yourself.
You'll surprise yourself with how confident you sound. That was such a fun lesson. I really enjoyed today.
Me too. Thank you for practicing with me.
Thank you so much for practicing your English with us today.
We really hope you enjoyed this iced coffee lesson. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to subscribe.
We have lots more everyday English lessons coming soon. See you next time for another fun English lesson.
Goodbye for now. Keep practicing, and see you soon.
See you next time for another fun English lesson.
Goodbye for now. Keep practicing, and see you soon.
Bye for now. Happy practicing, everyone.
See you in the next lesson. Take care.